AI in healthcare has the power to save lives, but it also raises serious risks. From bias in diagnosis to privacy concerns, the dark side of AI in medicine is something we need to talk about. In this video, we'll uncover the dangers lurking beneath the surface of AI in healthcare. Part 1: Biased algorithms. AI learns from data, but if that data is biased, results can be dangerous. For example, some diagnostic AIs have been less accurate for women or minorities, leading to unequal treatment. Part 2: Privacy risks. AI thrives on data, but medical data is some of the most sensitive information we have. If it's hacked, leaked, or misused, the consequences can be devastating for patients. Profit versus patience. Healthcare is big business, and AI could be misused to cut costs instead of saving lives. Imagine AI systems denying treatments to save money. That's a real ethical risk. Part 4: Over-reliance on AI. Doctors using AI is powerful. What happens if they trust it too much? AI can make mistakes, and blind reliance could put lives at risk. AI in healthcare could save millions of lives, but only if we use it responsibly. Bias, privacy, profit motives, and over-reliance are risks we can't ignore. What worries you most about AI in healthcare? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Incognito Future Lab for weekly insights on AI, tech, and the future of work.